let's look at this case. It's not a fun case. It's not like a super case, but it's really cool, I think. The reason being is, so this lady came to me. She had two porcelain veneers, poorly done porcelain veneers. Look at them. So one's falling off, one is kind of falling and staying around the thing, and she's tired of them falling off. And so I took them off, I cleaned up the teeth, and I did two composite veneers. But how come the composite BioClear veneers look so good and the porcelain veneers look like crap? Well, you can do really good porcelain veneers and you can do really good composite veneers, and there are pros and cons. Porcelain veneers, when done well, do tend to last longer, but composite veneers are never going to fall off, okay? Porcelain veneers usually don't either. It's pretty rare when done well. But composite veneers, I've never seen one fall off. Okay, they can chip, they can stain, and the material won't last as long, but they will still last many years. And usually composite dentists do bonding, and the bonding looks like spackle and stuff. How come those look so good? I don't know. It's just magic, I guess. But dentistry can look beautiful in composite or porcelain, and this is a good example. I do both.